Well, Brent and Sarah, it's been a quarter of a century since a vaccine for Lyme disease was approved by the feds. Now we could be looking at a new one coming soon to the market, and scientists are looking for people to participate in their ongoing study.
The vaccine is intended for people who are at risk for Lyme disease, which means at risk for tick bites.
A shot for Lyme disease could soon be on the market. Researchers with Pfizer and Stanford Health are working on the vaccine for the tick-borne virus that has a long history in Connecticut. Now in phase 3, the study is evaluating whether the vaccine is safe and effective.
Obviously, we're focused on safety, and right now we feel pretty confident that this is a safe vaccine. We hope it will prove to be as effective as we would like.
Volunteers who take part in the study will be vaccinated in the spring or fall and then will receive a booster for the next 2 Lyme disease seasons. So how does the vaccine work?
When the tick feeds on you, it sucks up a little bit of blood. That's its meal. In that blood now, after the vaccine, will be antibodies, and those antibodies attack the bacteria in the tick, which prevents the tick from infecting you with the bacteria.
For people like Elena Zajac living with Lyme disease, the news of a possible vaccine is welcomed, but not without some reservations.
So I'm excited to hear that the clinical trial has moved forward fairly quickly, but I have some reservations about this vaccine because ticks carry multiple pathogens, and this vaccine, from what I understand, covers multiple species of Lyme, and there are multiple species. But it doesn't talk about any of the co-infections that can mimic Lyme and have the same symptoms and leave you just as disabled.
Zajac also worries that this will give people a false sense of protection and people will stop taking precautions. But doctors say, like any vaccine, precautionary measures are still just as important.
We certainly don't purport this vaccine to be a panacea for preventing all tick-borne diseases. It's only for Lyme disease, and we haven't proven this vaccine is going to work yet. We feel strongly that it will, but we have no proof, and that's what the trial is all about.
Now, 6,000 adults and 800 children nationwide have already enrolled in the study. The FDA is expected to consider the vaccine approval by 2026. In studio, Jake Garcia, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.